The first thing that I am doing right now is importing the TK interface library along with a random function. So why the random function is being used is the reason why we are taking these colors for the twister. So I have taken colors like red, blue, green, pink, black, yellow, orange, white, purple, brown. Along with them I have taken a score of 0 and the time left is 60 seconds, so the initial score is 0. After which we are going to define a next color function. So I've taken the score in the global scope. Also the time left is also taken in the global scope. So the condition of if statements work like if the time left is greater than 0, then the score will increase. That means when the countdown starts, the score can be increased if you input a correct answer. So after this I have made a function called delete. So the delete works when the countdown reaches 0, there is no increase in score. I have also imported a random shuffle for the colors. So the colors can be chosen at random, and I have taken two strings called string 1 and string 2 for color 1 and 0, which means that the colors are different. So here is a label called score. The score increases when the color input is equal to same. And after this I'm going to move towards the countdown. I have defined a countdown function. So if the time left is greater than 0, the time left works by -1. So -1 is for the countdown 59, 58, 57. The things you see work through this only. So I have taken the strings by plus string, and after that the countdown is 1000 to the countdown. Now in the root is equal to tk dot tk enter. There is a title I've given to the game, that is the color twister. So I've designed a geometry of 600 by 600 for this game. So you can see it in the output. Oh, let me run this. So I'm going to run this code and I will show you. So see, let it run. Okay, here it is. So the box that you are seeing is 600 by 600 in dimensions. I have created instructions for it. I have given a text type in the color of words, not the color of the text. So it is the highlight of the, you can say, at the top. After that I have given the font. So I have taken a random font called Times New Roman and the size is 14. I have given a score label. So the score label will be displayed once you start the game. So till then you can see, press enter to start, and I've used the Calibri font at 24 size. See, I've used an Helvetica font at 30 for the string of time left, and here it is. Now let's play game and let's see if you can break my record. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and set the bell icon to all to never miss any updates, and stay tuned for another exciting video. In the next video I will be making a snake game using C++. So stay tuned till the next video and keep watching Code with Kanishk.